Welcome back to Marathon Arena Adventures. I'm Admin 1 of NEFX. Today we're on the DanSkiMan level called Snipe World 2 version 1.0 once again. So let's see how this one is. There's a big roundabout into a big pit, which, as you can see, there's still that issue with the bots. But this is kind of funny watching them sort of pour out like that onto the floor, like little insects. See what's down in this pool of water. Maybe a teleporter. Okay, yep, takes me back up here. I also like that the elevation varies. How do we get up top though? Maybe here? Okay, yeah, it's kind of a cool concept, sort of like a hive. Oh shit. See how many I can find in these higher floors. Checking my 6 every now and then to make sure there's no one sneaking up behind me. Nothing much to be found. Doesn't seem to be more than one shotgun. I think I've explored just about all of it. Yeah, unless there's some sort of secret, but I don't think so. Might as well use this last bit of time to check any potential secret doors. Nope, nothing. Just slaughtering away in the pit. No, they're multiplying. Alright. Well, that's it for tonight. Next time on Marathon Arena Adventures, we'll explore Stairway to Hell 2 version 1.0 by DanSkiMan. Until then, thanks for watching. Bye.